Hi everyone. So this week we're going to be finishing off chapter 7 here with a look at 7.4, which discusses the z-test procedure for dealing with proportions. So it's a lot of the same sort of things we've seen earlier in this chapter, and then callbacks to sort of things we saw at the end of chapter 6 in terms of the connection between binomial and normal distributions here in the context of testing. So not too new, it's mostly just a matter of learning the new menus in the calculator and the new flavors of thing that go into the formula. Anyway, with this, really what people are probably more concerned about is that second thing up on the schedule there with our third exam. So for this week, we have deadlines in MyLab. That's the big thing as far as our deadlines go. I will give that little extension I normally do after Wednesday night, same as usual. And then on Friday, we have our third exam. It is our longest in terms of number of sections covered. I consider it to be our most difficult. And it's really the big point at which people who are comfortable with this class get separated from the people who were just sort of riding along, not really paying attention. Because if you don't know how to do the stuff in the calculator in here, or use the table, or whatever it is you've been trying to do, there's no guessing your way through some of this stuff, except just by blind luck. So be sure you're taking your time preparing with that. Don't forget about the study guide, even though I'm not going to put it up here. And then we have a pre-assessment moving into our last unit with chapters 8 and 9. So let's finish off chapter 7 here so we can start preparing for that exam.